Welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving into the delicious and nutritious world of watermelon. Stay tuned to learn about the amazing health benefits of this refreshing fruit. But before we dive in, kindly subscribe to my channel. Number 1. Nutritional benefits. Watermelon is not just a tasty summer treat, it's also packed with nutrients. A typical serving of watermelon, about 154 grams, contains calories, 46 grams, a protein, 1 gram, fat, 0.2 grams, carbohydrates, 11.6 grams, fiber, 0.6 grams, of vitamin C, 21% of the daily value, of vitamin A, 18% of the daily value, potassium, 5% of the daily value, magnesium, 4% of the daily value. Number 2. Hydration. Did you know that watermelon is about 92% water? This high water content helps keep you hydrated, which is essential during the hot summer months. Number 3. Antioxidants. Watermelon is rich in antioxidants, including vitamin C, lycopene, and cucurbitacin. These antioxidants help protect your cells from damage. Number 4. Heart health. Lycopene, found in high amounts in watermelon, is linked to heart health. It may help lower cholesterol and blood pressure, reducing the risk of heart disease. Number 5. Skin health. Vitamin C in watermelon aids in the production of collagen, which keeps your skin supple and helps with wound healing. The hydration factor also keeps your skin looking fresh and moisturized. Number 6. Muscle soreness. Drinking watermelon juice may reduce muscle soreness after exercise. This is due to the amino acid citrulline found in watermelon. So, the next time you enjoy a slice of watermelon, remember you're not just indulging in a tasty snack, but also boosting your health. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health and nutrition tips.